ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá àtàtà níbo lẹ wà? Nítorí Yorùbá nation, nítorí pé kí bàbá wa Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu kó kọwọ́ sí ìwé Yorùbá nation láti gbà bó ṣe ń lọ sí ọdún kan tí bàbá tí Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu Jagaban tó fẹ́ pé ọdún kan tó wà tó gbà àlééfà ààrẹ orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà, léyìí tá à ń sọ pé bó ṣe ń gùn kó máa fọwọ́ sí ètò. Ṣé ẹ mọ̀ pé lẹ́tà tá a kọ sí lẹ́tà tí Yorùbá nation kọ sí bàbá Júùnù yìí ló máa hẹ́ǹdì, déètì Júùnù yìí náà ló wà. Ṣé ẹ ti gbọ́ ohun tí àwọn Haúsá Fúlàní ṣèlérí láti ṣe fún Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu? Ẹ máa gbọ́ lórí ètò lónìí, ẹ sì máa rí fídíò ẹ̀ wò. Ẹ wo bí ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń gbọ́, bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń rí, ẹ jẹ́ kó máa wọlé, ẹ máa share, ẹ jẹ́ kó máa wọ̀ gbòòrò ayé lọ. Àní ẹ jẹ́ kó máa wọ̀ gbòòrò ayé lọ sẹ́ẹ̀, ẹ jẹ́ kó dé ọ̀dọ̀ gbogbo ẹni tó yẹ kó dé. Àwọn Haúsá Fúlàní yarí fún Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu báyìí pé àwọn máa sọ bàbá lóko pa ni, àwọn máa jò wọ́n lóko. Ẹ wo bí ẹ máa rí fídíò ẹ̀ wò. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìwádìí tá a ṣe, wọ́n ní ni o, wọ́n ní tí Haúsá Fúlàní tí Bọ́lá Ahmed wọ́n ní tó bá. Àwọn Haúsá sọ pé Fúlàní tó bá sọ, àti pé kí làwọn ará bí ìwà ń fẹ́, kí ló fẹ́ gbà. Torí wípé ẹ̀yin lẹ ti ń ṣèjọba yìí bọ̀ láti 1960 tá a ti gbòmìnira lẹ̀ yìí, tí ẹ sì ti ń bá a bọ̀, tó ẹ ti ń bá a bọ̀. In fact, yẹ ká sọ pé láti 1914 tí amalgamation ti bẹ̀rẹ̀. Torí wọn l'amalgamation yìí fi wáyé gangan. Now, ọmọ Yorùbá wá débẹ̀ kò tíì pé ọdún kan, ó sì fẹ́ ṣe, ẹ sì ń rí i pé wọ́n rí ọwọ́ lára ògiri, àmọ́ tó bẹ́ẹ̀ jù bẹ́ẹ̀ náà lọ. Eléyìí máa jẹ́ ẹ̀kọ́ fún bàbá wa Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu. Ẹ fún wa ní Yorùbá nation ní kíákíá kó tó pẹ́ tán. Torí ọ̀rọ̀ tí à ń sọ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ yìí, àwọn ọmọ Yíbò gangan pàápàá wọ́n darapọ̀ mọ́ran Yorùbá. Ẹ wo bí àwọn ọmọ Yíbò gangan bẹ nínú réèsì tá à ń sọ yìí, tá à ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa Yorùbá nation yìí. Àwọn ọmọ Yíbò pẹ̀pà wọ́n fọwọ́sowọ́pọ̀ fún wa pé wọ́n ti mọ̀ yìí pé orí ló dúró tí àgbọ̀n ń mumi. Torí ọ̀bá síbẹ̀ kò sí ohun tí ń jẹ́ pé àgbọ̀n fẹ́ mumi. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa nínú ilé, ẹ kúkú ẹ mọ̀, àní máa gbé fídíò wọn wá láìpẹ́ yìí, léyìí tí mo fẹ́ kí gbogbo wa farabalẹ̀ ká gbọ́ dáadáa, ká máa wá comment, ká máa like, ká máa share. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ ti subscribe, ẹ máa subscribe, ẹ jẹ́ kó máa wọ gbòòrò ayé lọ. Torí nínú eléyìí táwa ń ṣe yìí, àwa gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹnìkan, ibi típa wa mọ̀ ní gẹ́gẹ́ bí oníròyìn, ká sọ̀rọ̀ nípa Yorùbá nation. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, káwa pariwo wọn síta pé báyìí lórí, tí wọ́n bá ní àṣírí kan bì kan ká tú àṣírí. Kí gbogbo ayé ó gbọ́ pé irú ìmọ̀ràn báyìí ni àwọn Fúlàní, Haúsá Fúlàní tí wọ́n ń gbà lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Yorùbá. Fúndì èyí mo rọ̀ yìí, mo bẹ̀ wá jọ̀ọ́ torí Ọlọ́run, bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń rí báyìí, ẹ má wojú ṣe ẹ̀ rárá, ẹ bá wa like, ẹ comment, ẹ subscribe, ẹ jẹ́ kó wọ̀ gbòòrò ayé lọ. Kí gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá, gbogbo àwọn tó bá yẹ kẹ́ ẹ táàgì ẹ máa rí táfíù yìí wò, gbogbo wa ó sì wò pé Yorùbá ti sùn lóòótọ́. Bá a ṣe ń gbìyànjú lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Yorùbá nation yìí, bẹ́ẹ̀ là ń rí àwọn kan tí wọ́n ṣe tí a lè ṣe alive, a lè fẹ́ rú àwọn èèyàn bẹ́ẹ̀ kún lóòótọ́. Àmọ́ ẹ pín program yẹn jó dọ̀dọ̀ wọn. Haúsá, ẹ ti ń ṣe ìjọba bọ̀ lọ́jọ́ pípẹ́, ẹ wá ń sọ pé ẹ̀yin máa sọ Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu lókùúta pa. Ẹ máa jù ú lóko, ẹ máa ṣe gbá, ẹ máa ṣàwo. Nítorí kíni? ẹ bá mi share program yìí, mo fẹ́ gbé yín débẹ̀, mo fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ lọ gbọ́ kẹ́ ẹ lọ gbọ́ program kẹ́ ẹ lọ gbọ́ fídíò tí mo ń sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ yìí. torí kíni? Torí kẹ́ ẹ lè mọ̀ yìí pé ẹ ti mọ̀ wá lórí ètò yìí pé ohun táwa bá sọ a máa fún yín lẹ́rìí ẹ̀, kò sọ́gbọ́n ẹ̀. Ẹ má bínú, ẹ má kánjú, èmi kọ́ mo ní fídíò tí mò ń gbé bọ̀, mo gbọ́dọ̀ ní ipa tèmi gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìlànà YouTube. Ká má bàa jẹ̀kọ́ tó lé egun ni. Tẹ́ ẹ bá wò mí lásìkò tí mo ń ṣètò yẹn rí i pé mò ń làágùn. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ó ní reason, kẹ́yìn olólùfẹ́ wa lè mọ̀ ni. Ẹ rí i pé mi ò tiẹ̀ kí yín, ẹ má bínú, ẹ káalẹ́, ẹ káàsán, ẹ káàárọ̀. A ti délẹ̀ lérí, a ti kọjá lọ sílẹ̀ ìmúṣẹ wa. Bó ti wù kó rí, kò ọ̀pẹ títí arúgbó ni, kò lè tó gbà tí ìyá ẹ̀ ti bí. Ẹ jẹ́ sáré gbé yín débẹ̀. Ọ̀yá, ẹ bá mi fohùn sí fídíò yìí.
Today, Tinubu is just 12 months and the North are ranting and chanting and shouting and nobody is saying anything. Yoruba, good morning. Are you people just waking up? Because I stone Tinubu comes 2027. Not only they have perfected it, they said it over time and over time that they are going to stone Tinubu comes 2027. Not only on sitting him, stoning him comes 2027. See, but let me tell you, this is to show the level a particular people in Nigeria could be that selfish and greedy. Look at Hausa. I don't support Tinubu. I'm supporting this administration, but I'm shocked at this kind of rendition, things coming out from the North. This is a region that has been ruling Nigeria for over 49 to 50 years. They are not satisfied. Only just 12 months of Tinubu administration. North is trying to stone Tinubu. Just 12 months. North, a country that has been ruling Nigeria for how many years now? Oga, that region, that particular region in Nigeria has done what? Desecrated, demoralized, dehumanized humanity. This is not what humanity stands for at all. Every power, everything has been given to the North since 1960. The whole federal government agencies controlled by the North since 1960. Today, Tinubu is just 12 months and the North are ranting and chanting and shouting and nobody is saying anything. Yoruba, good morning. Are you people just waking up? Because I can see that none of you is just waking up from your slumbers. You are the one that support North, support Hausa each and every time the Igbos want to make a move to the office of the presidency. You will start running as an errand boy you are to Hausa. Follow, yeah, rolling. As they go, you will be following them. Yeah, rolling. Follow. It has now started. How many months is Tinubu's administration that the North want to crucify him? What is it that Tinubu has done to the North? That they want him dead now. Tinubu does is just barely 12 months. Not shouting and ranting.
Maybe because it is not performing and the security.
Oga, bring this microphone closer, Jerry. It's not performing. What about Buhari? What about Buhari? Did the Buharis perform? Did any Yoruba man come out and say, Buhari, we will deal with you. We will do like this. Buhari started what is happening today. Because Tinubu administration is a continuation of Buhari's regime. And they also want to kill themselves. No, I have a message for you people in the North. Excuse me, poorly educated people of the North. You should sit down and begin to rearrange. Get orientation about what is wrong with you. Because since 1960, you filled up every governmental agencies in Nigeria, yet nothing comes from you. Education, zero. Wealth and the creativity, you can create money. Hausa, zero. What's going on? See, let me tell you. Religion has gone too far to devastate you. Much detriment. Much devastation. Much destruction in the North. I mean, religion. The Hausas are too religious. These people are even trying to control the earth. instead of Allah. In Allah's instead, Fulani and the Hausa is controlling the world, fighting for person they believe is God. That's why they could not allow Tinubu to be. I am not a Tinubu man, no. I don't support APC, but I see something. Hausa ruled more than anybody in Nigeria, yet they are not satisfied. Insatiable urge. They have that urge. You can never give Hausa satisfaction. Every month end, every Hausa man go to Ukumango, Idimango, Mango tree to collect salary. Where are the secretariats? Nothing. Where are the certificates? Nothing. Who are you and which offices? Nothing. Ghost workers every month in the north. Hausas keep on sharing the resources accruing from Akwebom, accruing from River State, Anambra State, all the oil producing states, Bayelsa, the Niger Delta, that comes from the south. You share the resources accruing from southern Nigeria, yet you are not satisfied. You want to kill Tinubu now. Okay, I know be Tinubu boy, but what we are doing is wrong. Go and rethink. Begin to educate your youths. Institute, situate, incite more of what? Institutions of learning for your youth to go school. Stop building mosque. If you want to know what I'm saying, please, you northern elders should call Lamido Sanusi for more lecture. I think he can lecture you better.
And Prophet Ayodele, you know, a popular prophet in Nigeria, Ayodele, primate Ayodele, that's come and say that the North, they are trying to sabotage Tinubu's government, that Tinubu has a good mind, he has a good plan for the country, but you know, the North, they want to make sure they sabotage Tinubu plans and everything. So I don't want to have to say.
Okay, let me tell you, Primate Ayodele is playing eye service because we know, of course, when Tinubu come in, we know what he talk. He's now talking another thing so that Tinubu will send money to him. When has he begun to hear and speak for God? Primate Ayodele, wait. All these clergies, all these pastors, all these pastors in Nigeria, they have begun to fall our hand. They are not saying the right thing from God. So Tinubu is having good mind. Tinubu want to do good thing. And Hausa they don't want him to be. They are disturbing him from Primate Ayodele. Oga, any primate, any prophet, any conserver is for himself and his family. See, let me tell you. If Tinubu is meant well for North, it should do what? Meant well for the West. South, as well as East. Primate Ayodele should go and serve God. He should allow government, the politicians that have rubbished the Christendom by sewing cloths, that is meant for reverend fathers, that is meant for prophets, clothes that is meant for the clergy, people serving in the house of God, and put such clothes, give it to touts, giving it to dogs. Primate Ayodele should be very, very prayerful. When God speaks, let us know actually if God that is speaking. I don't support what Primate Ayodele said. I don't.
Okay, so at least now, for what we can see now, in 2 years' time, in a year's time, do you think that Nigeria can at least, see gain, the economy can be balanced and, security-wise, do you think that things can still change if it at least gives 1 year from now?
No, it cannot. For 1 year time, this is the year now. Okay, we are in May. This is month of May. 29th will be 12th month of the Tinubu's administration. Normalize what? Economy. As you frustrated as you look on your face, and the frustrated as I look on my face. Economic normalization. Economic, socially, wise. Socially and economically, normalize. It is a norm for Nigeria economy to be battered, to be chartered by the people in the high positions. It is a norm for every upcoming president and the previous one to useless and mess Nigeria Commonwealth. Because what? It is a continuation of colonization of Nigeria. Every regime that comes to Nigeria align with Britain to or neo-colonize Nigeria the more. So listen and listen good. Don't expect anything good from them. I'm not expecting anything in 1 year time, and this is 12 months, and nothing good has happened. So what normal? What are you saying? You cannot buy a goosey again. See, go and buy Abono. Obono. They will count Abono seed for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10 Abono seed is 1,000 naira. Each Abono seed is 100 naira. Can you doubt me? Count it 10. 1,000. You cannot make a soup again in Lagos. And the Oba community here is becoming the costliest community in Lagos State. Go and do your research. Oba, what are you telling me? And I'm living in Oba. You don't know what we are going through in this part of the world, part of Lagos State. You are telling me in 1 year time, Tinubu administration, what are you saying? I've seen many people that voted for Tinubu that are chanting and crying. Look at Oluwa. Oluwa voted for Tinubu, now he's shouting and crying. And I was telling him, I voted for Tinubu now. I don't know what to do again. I will support Jagaba. He's not crying.
I'm crying now. Jagaba failed the test. Jagaba failed Raf and failed me. And failed.
ẹ ti rí ẹ ti gbọ́ àbẹ́ nǹkan tí wọ́n sọ pé Yorùbá ń sùn, Haúsá máa sọ pé àwọn máa ju Bọ́lá Ahmed lóko. Ẹgbẹ́ fi ń gbé wọn kan títí ìgbà míì tá a tún máa pàdé, ṣe báwọn ni wọ́n pọ́n wọn lé, àwọn ló gbé wọn ga. Àwa la dẹ́wò fún jàpá làwọn fi ń ṣe bí ẹran gidi. Títí ìgbà míì tá a tún pàdé lórí ètò. Ẹ ṣé púpọ̀ ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa, a tún pàdé, ó dàbọ̀.